I drank garlic water for 3 days, my cold disappeared. Natural home remedy. I had a common cold, runny nose, sore throat, tiredness. But instead of rushing to the pharmacy, I turned to a powerful home remedy, garlic water. And after just 3 days of drinking it, my cold was gone. In this video, I'll share exactly what I did, the benefits of garlic water, how to prepare it, and why it works so well to fight colds naturally. Make sure you watch till the end for a bonus tip to boost your immune system even further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, cold gone, if you're ready to heal naturally. Let me tell you what happened. I woke up one morning feeling heavy. My throat was sore, my nose was stuffy, I had no energy. I remembered my grandmother's old remedy, garlic water. I made it immediately, just 1 glass in the morning and 1 before bed. By day 2, my throat had cleared. By day 3, I was breathing better, had energy, and the cold symptoms had vanished completely. That's why I'm here to share this with you. Benefits of garlic water. Garlic is more than a spice. It's one of the most powerful natural antibiotics in the world. When taken raw or in warm water, it delivers multiple benefits. 1. Boosts immune function. Garlic stimulates immune cells like white blood cells, helping your body fight off invaders. If you take garlic regularly, you're less likely to fall sick during flu season or when exposed to viruses. Fights cold, flu, and throat infections. Clears sinuses and nasal passages. Garlic has expectorant properties, meaning it helps loosen mucus and clear it from the lungs and throat. It's especially helpful for blocked nose, catarrh, and phlegmy coughs. Combine it with ginger and honey for an even more powerful cold remedy. 2. Detoxifies the body. Garlic helps the liver flush out toxins by increasing the production of detox enzymes. Taking garlic water can also help cleanse the bloodstream and improve digestion. 3. Reduces inflammation. Garlic reduces inflammation in the body, which is the root cause of many illnesses, including sinus infections, arthritis, and even weight gain. 4. Supports digestion and heart health. Garlic helps reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and improve blood flow. This means it's not just good for colds, it's also excellent for long-term cardiovascular health. 5. Improves sleep and recovery. When your immune system is supported and your body is fighting inflammation, you tend to sleep better and recover faster from illness. The key compound is allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed. It has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Here's exactly how I made my garlic water. Ingredients: 2 cloves of fresh garlic. 1 cup of warm, not hot, water. Optional. Squeeze of lemon or a dash of honey. Steps: crush the garlic and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This activates the allicin. Add the crushed garlic into warm water. Stir and sip slowly while still warm. Take in the morning and before bed. Important tip: do not boil the garlic. It kills the active compound allicin. When and how to take it. For best results, take garlic water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Once more in the evening before bed. You can do this for 3 to 5 days straight when you're feeling sick, or once a day to boost your immune system during cold seasons. Warning: garlic water may cause mild body odor or heartburn for some. Start with 1 clove if you're new to it. Want to recover even faster and stay healthy longer? Here's my bonus tip. Combine garlic water with other natural immune boosters. Ginger tea, anti-inflammatory and soothing. Vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, pawpaw, and guava. Warm salt gargle for sore throat. Sunlight 10 to 15 minutes daily for vitamin D. Plenty of water and rest to help your body fight better. If you're tired of taking pills every time you catch a cold, try this natural remedy instead. Garlic water worked for me, and it could work for you too. Nature has given us powerful healing tools, we just have to use them. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Cali Men's for more natural health and wellness tips. And comment below if you've ever tried garlic water or plan to. See you in the next video.